The following data outlines the scores students had on an algebra test. Draw a dot plot of this data on the graph below. Okay, in order to do this, we construct a dot plot exactly as you would if you were making it by hand. You would have a horizontal axis that spans the range of your data. So the smallest data value is looking like this 25, the largest is 34 perhaps. There's definitely room for all the data on this data set. Now, we have horizontal axes indicated here, which allow us to line up our dots nicely. There's only one option for choosing things to draw. That's just the dot. It might show up as an actual dot for you. Either way is fine. If you come up onto the chart, then the pencil or the cursor turns into a pencil, and anywhere you click, you come up with dots. Now, if you have a dot in the wrong place, you can select it and drag it, and it will move to a different position. Do be careful because you can actually double up a point, and if you don't see that, then you can get marked incorrect even if you have the right looking plot. So be careful for that sort of thing. Okay, I'm going to clear this and start over. Now, starting with 27, I find that on my horizontal axis and put a dot right above there at 1. So I have a frequency of 1. So you can put 1 at 0, but don't put 1 at 0. This is what the computer is expecting. All right, 25 is the next value, so I find that, put a dot there. Then 34, 30, and 29. And that finishes out the first row of data. And I have my dot plot going so far. So now I just come down to the next row and I start plotting these values. 28, 31, 26, 32, and then 28. Here's the second point for 28. So to indicate a second point for 28, just come up to the height 2 and click there. All right, then 25, another 25. So now we're at height 3 for that one. And then 30, so that's a height 2. 29, 27. And then my last 2 points are 31 and 30. And 30 would be at height 3 then. So that concludes all my points, and I've got my dot plot in.